Strong fam, welcome back for another one, guys. I got a couple setups I like this week. Also, wow, we went crazy with Bitcoin this week. Go ahead and look at the screen. Want to show you guys kind of before and after where I noticed this demand zone, where I noticed this downtrend, and then just watching price action and kind of how I was able to verify that the bottom for this one was in. I don't think the bottom is in for sure. I think that we might come back to even maybe test 72, but things are looking bullish for Bitcoin again. With that being said, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Free link to the Discord in the bio. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The least you can do is at least thumbs up it. With that being said, let's jump straight into this. Guys, look at the screen. Downtrend, demand zone, liquidity came in, things just pumped from there. Mara went 1,000%. Hood went 1,000%. IBITCalls also went 1,000%. Not a lot of people get to see that action, so jump in the Discord, print with us. As you can see right here, Bitcoin's my baby, so I've been watching for a while, been accumulating. Once this bounce hit, I notified everybody that 79 was up top. We went to 79, we rejected a little bit, and now we're still in that 77 zone. So don't just jump in this next week thinking things are gonna pump and continue to pump. They can. Watch volume, watch price action, but with that being said, they can also consolidate a little bit for the next push or come back and test that 72. Kind of did the same thing right here with Hood. As you can see, this is the downtrend demand zone setup. I knew that with Bitcoin gaining volume, that Hood was going to do the same thing. They just have so much invested into their own Bitcoin program, into their crypto program, that they needed to bounce with this as well. So I notified the group chat that there would be a gap up coming, and the gap up came on Friday. It was OPEX week, so you can always understand that during those weeks you get those crazy moves on Fridays, kind of like Tesla on Friday. But this one was most of the crypto related stocks. So as you can see, Hood did the same thing, 1,000% calls in there. That was awesome. So with that, let's jump into the next kind of play that kind of runs with this. IREN's at the demand zone. It's in this downtrend. Watch for a comeback and retest of this demand zone, and watch for a move above that 40. So I would like a retest of the 39. Break through the trend, hit the demand zone, break through this trend line, and watch for an absolute break to 44 to maybe even 49 above that. Next one I got is INTC. INTC has been a little crazy lately, but we're at a demand zone, we're at a downtrend. 4-hour candles looking good. I think that with the next setup, the next leg up we have, watch for a move back to 100. I really like INTC this week. As long as we can hold 85 on this demand zone, watch for 89 and then 91. And top of 91, watch 93 to 97. Those are your levels for INTC. The next one, CrowdStrike. Man, I love CrowdStrike. I like the company. I like that it's in Austin. I just like everything about CrowdStrike. We've bounced multiple times off this demand zone. Looks like buyers are stepping in here. Watch for that 190 demand zone back to that 211. So I'm not going to say it's going to go up there right away, but watch 198, get that 201, and then 211 after that for another price discovery above maybe 220 to 232. So I really like that. Get into the Discord, see how we're going to be playing that this week. The next one is the NASDAQ triple Qs. NASDAQ triple Qs have established this demand zone right here, key level to watch. We've had this gap below at 701 that we still need to grab. Watch for the grab at that gap down at 701. If not, watch for a rally at this demand and a pop back to 716. I really like that 716 level this week and that 701. So we could easily go down. We could easily trap some bulls, come down to 701, everybody sell off, trap the bears, rip back to 716. So watch a level of 716 and a bottom of 701. That would be your ranges for this week. I really like triple Q to make some moves this week. It's been volatile. It's been in a range, but if you're a sniper and you know what you're doing, you can make money in those ranges. Get in the Discord. God bless.